Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you Superstar KO Quick Play. In the beginning, let's go to main menu of the game, enter Quick Play and select Superstar KO. Draft a team of superstars and be the last one standing.
What's up, y'all? This is DJ Trey Mo, and welcome to Superstar KO. Alright, let's get it in. Wanna play by yourself? Hit 1v1. You and a buddy? Hit 2v2. Or if you're really trying to squad up, hit that 3v3, and let's get it poppin'.
Now, you can select opponent, mode, type, and size. Tap play. Select matchmaking password. And now you have to wait until match is settled. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.